Today, we're going to take a look at the LUCID 300 series adjustable base. Now, if you suffer with back pain, edema, arthritis, digestive problems, or sleep disturbances through the night, stick around to see how this product can offer you the ability to manipulate your ergonomic positioning to facilitate more comfortable sleep. Now, it's also convenient if you want to read or watch TV in bed. Before we start putting everything together though, let's take a quick look at the inventory of what you're going to need to put this base together. The remote comes with two AAA batteries. We'll take a closer look at its capabilities here in a minute. You'll also receive two retainer bars to keep the mattress from slipping off the frame when you make adjustments. The frame stands on a total of 6 legs, 2 of which come pre-attached and 4 that you'll have to put on. Finally, you'll need your power cord and power supply box. Once you've got all these items accounted for, you can go ahead and assemble. So let's do it. This base is really easy to get set up. You'll want to have someone help you through the process since the unit is pretty heavy. Since it does contain electrical components, you really don't want it slamming down on the ground. Unfold the base carefully and set it up mattress side down on the floor. Next, the 4 unattached legs simply screw in manually. You'll have 2 locations per leg to suit your preferences. Next, we'll uncoil our power cord connected to the underside of the base and plug it into the power supply box. Taking a quick look at the bottom of your LUCID 300 series, you have the head and foot motors, the pairing button cord, and the control box. Now we'll go ahead and uncoil the power cord and attach it to the power supply box opposite the cord attached. On the power supply, you'll notice an area to install 2 9-volt batteries. Now you don't need batteries to operate your base, but it can be convenient backup in the event of a power outage. Next, carefully flip the base over. Finally, we'll attach the retainer bars by sliding the left side of the bar to the opposite bracket and securing the right side using light pressure. Now the remote that comes with your base should already be programmed, and this is the case with mine. However, if yours isn't for some reason, just press and hold the head control raise and foot control raise buttons simultaneously. You'll then also hold the blue button on the control box cord until you hear 2 beeps. This indicates that you are paired up. All right, we've got it all set up, so let's see what this can do. Now the remote is simple and relatively self-explanatory. Over to the left, we see where you raise and lower the head, and the foot controls are over to the right. Now the M that you see beneath the controls allows you to program your favorite position simply by pressing the memory and the flat buttons at the same time. Now the flat button, as the name implies, returns your bed to a flat position. Finally, you'll see a flashlight button that turns the remote into a low-powered flashlight. Now that we're all assembled, we're going to take this product for a spin and talk about the various ways it can be helpful. Now, if you're a side sleeper, I find that elevating the head slightly is really comfortable. It's actually recommended that people suffering with lower back pain to recline with your legs raised, knees bent, and back completely flat. This position creates a pelvic tilt, puts reverse pressure on your lower back, and helps build the strength of your lower back muscles. By elevating your legs and bending your knees, you can actually feel your lower back moving. You can realign the weights and pressures on your vertebrae that may be in turn pressing on nerves. Now for upper back problems, try elevating the head and keeping your legs flat, as this eases pressure on the upper back, neck, and shoulders. For everyday strains, you have the freedom to play around with various combinations of head and foot elevations. Again, if you find one that really works for you, just go ahead and program it into your remote. If you're getting older and experiencing chronic back pain, this is likely because our vertebrae move closer together as we age. Now, your LUCID adjustable base allows you to perform an exercise that works like traction to apply gentle pull between each vertebrae. Just start flat and elevate the head and foot all the way, and then return flat. The complete stretch along your entire back really feels great. Now, one of my favorite features of this base is that it has USB ports located on each side near the head. I think it's safe to say a lot of us rely on our mobile devices as alarm clocks, so you never again have to worry about hunting down a reliable charger so you can hurry up and get to bed. Now, if you live with other people who are prone to running off with your charging equipment, I'd recommend keeping your charger cord plugged into the port and tucking it in between your mattress and the base. You'll never again have to hunt down a charger. Overall, I think this is a quality product at a great price. While some products offer extra features like head and foot massages, the LUCID 300 series is far less expensive. I think this is a great solution for anyone on a budget who wants to enjoy the basic benefits adjustable beds have to offer. This product is designed to hold up to 750 pounds of total weight, including your mattress. Exceeding this limit can cause damage to the base or injury. Oh yeah, and it will also void your warranty. Make sure you don't operate the motors continuously for more than 2 minutes in an 18-minute time frame, as this will shorten the life of the base. LUCID offers a 10-year limited warranty on this product. If you're elderly or suffer with back problems, I'd say this product is a great bargain considering the benefits you can enjoy every night.